Grab the vest over your head and secure the tape firmly around your waist. Do not inflate the life vest while inside the aircraft. At exit, pull the toggle firmly downwards to inflate or blow into two mouthpieces. For attracting attention, there is a whistle and a light on your vest. Unless instructed by cabin crew, passengers are requested not to remove the life vest from its location.
បានណែនាំសុវត្ថិភាពសូមភ្ញៀវកិត្តិយសទាំងអស់មេត្តាចំណាយពេលបន្តិចដើម្បីអានបានណែនាំសុវត្ថិភាពដែលមាននៅក្នុងហោប៉ៅកៅអីរបស់លោកអ្នកសូមអរគុណចំពោះការយកចិត្តទុកដាក់តាមដានរបស់លោកអ្នក
Safety card. Now please take a few moments to study the safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you for your attention.
សាច់រឿងជឿលើលោកស្រីជាកិត្តិយសជាទីគោរពយន្តហោះនឹងធ្វើការហោះឡើងក្នុងពេលដែលឆាប់ខាងមុខមានសូមលោកអ្នកពាក់ខ្សែក្រវាត់សុវត្ថិភាពដំណងបែកកែបានត្រង់បានបន្ទះតម្រូវខាងមុខនិងបានបន្ទះរបស់បអូយឡានសូមអរគុណ Ladies and gentlemen, we will be take off shortly. Once again, please ensure that your seatbelt securely fastened. Sit back upright, start the tray table and pull up the window seat. Thank you. Cabin crew, check cabin galley for takeoff.
Airborne, Angkor Air 23, clear for takeoff, Cambodia 107. Cambodia 107, Airborne, onboard departure.